This is the last unboxing video that I tried to record, since it's quite a big package. I guess I quite forgot what it is. It's about keycaps. It's another keycaps that there's actually another thing I quite forgot. It's only a 3 minutes video right as well, so I haven't been publishing the video, especially the unboxing video, because there's still so many game video that I haven't been uploading, so I tried to finish it first before moving on to the unboxing. Oh, I get it. This is not the keycaps. This is basically a plate video. So it's a stone, kind of stone. I forgot what it's called. So it's usually used for tiles in the floor, so it is quite heavy and good plate, especially when you try to cook some things for your fine dining experience. Since the last time I noticed this kind of plate is actually from a steak restaurant that have a signature menu, and I just really love the right to do. So I decided to search online, and yeah, there's a plate. So the exact same plate that they use, even though it's quite more expensive than any regular plates that made of plastic or melamine. It's definitely worth it because yeah, it's pretty heavy and solid. So it's better on the 4-stick, but because yeah, everything was just flat, and also be used for another thing that didn't have a lot of it, which can eventually drop through the tables, because there's no blockers in each side with plates. So basically I used to bought a stone plate before, cheaper one, so basically like the exact stone that you find, so there's no